Hello, my name is Owens and I'm going to run in for the Welsh Affairs Part-Time Officer. Hello, fy enw yw Nia Owens a dwi'n rhedeg am y rôl Swyddog Materion Cymreig.
Affairs Officer.
I think I'd be an excellent Welsh Affairs Officer because obviously I speak Welsh first language and I think I'm quite passionate about the Welsh language. Like, I would like to see the Welsh language develop further. It's obviously dying out at the minute, and I think it's important that we keep the language and make use of it and celebrate that we have a language for the country. I think it's important that obviously for the Welsh Part-Time Officer that we use the Welsh language quite a lot. I think that using the student union incentives for students who use the Welsh language in their course, or incentives for doing a module maybe through Welsh, and then it's up to students whether they want a students union incentive or an incentive from the university itself, and obviously collaborate more courses and societies through Welsh, and obviously with Rhyngol coming to Carmarthen next year. I think it's quite important that we involve that with the Students' Union and make it quite a big event.
The university.
I think that I'd like to change how much we use Welsh generally, and people's attitudes towards it. I think a lot of people think it's quite a difficult language to learn or to use, but to be honest, it's quite a useful skill. I mean, I'm doing a course through Welsh, and it's puts you above a lot of other people that can't speak it. Mae pleidleisio yn agor ar yr 8 o Chwefror. Plis edrychwch ar eich e-bost a cofiwch i pleidleisio amdano fi am eich Swyddog Materion Cymreig. Voting opens on the 8th of February. Please check your student emails for the election link, and remember to vote for your Welsh Affairs Officer.